Most EMS companies we talk to lose a tremendous amount of time during the inquiry process. BOMs, GABA, and CPL files come in via email, often incomplete, inconsistently named, or in formats that need manual checking. Then come follow-up questions, new versions, Excel sheets, and endless coordination via email, phone, or PDFs. Chaos. That's exactly where BeConnect comes in. It's not just another tool, it's your own branded customer portal, fully in your corporate design with your logo and your colors. Your customers upload their project data directly through this platform, guided, structured, and complete. Whether it's BOM, GABA, or CPL, the files are automatically recognized and processed into logical steps. The entire process is clean and centralized, from the initial inquiry to final approval. You handle all communication through an integrated chat. Every change is versioned and everyone, including your customers, stays in sync. No more data chaos, no more email ping pong, no more sorting things out afterward. Just a clear digital process that saves you time, reduces errors, and delivers a professional experience your customers already expect from other industries. And the best part, you don't need your own IT team or a month-long project. We adapt BeConnect to your corporate identity and you're ready to go within a few hours. With BeConnect, you don't get another construction site, you get a tool that immediately takes work off your plate for every single quote.